about the situation of filing multiple H1B. As you know, a lot of people are worried about the lottery, and they are going to try to file H1B with different companies. And the question that many are asking is that allowed under the law, and what are the pros and the cons of filing a multiple H1B with different companies to make it on the lottery. First of all, the answer, as you can see on the screen, where I have written an article about it on the website H4 indeed, it is allowed to do that. However, you are allowed to do it with different companies. For example, you can file with company A, you can file with company B or company C, but you cannot file multiple H1Bs with the same company. Having said that, now what are the pros of filing it? Of course, the pros is it increases your chance of making it to the lottery, but the cons also are very high. For example, we have seen many times people will file with almost quote unquote a dummy company, and at the end, when the dummy company gets approved, then they realize they cannot work there, and they will try to file an amendment or try to shift it, transfer it to another company. And lately, USCIS have been looking into those cases, and ultimately, in certain situations, they have actually revoked the approval. I repeat that they have revoked the approval after they have seen that. Having said that, if the job offer is genuine from company A, B, and C, yes, you should go ahead and file it if you have a chance to file it. Now, the other issue also is for those who think they're on master's cap, make sure that you do qualify for master's cap, because master's cap requires two things. As you would see, and we had an article on our website on piralilaw.com, and this article clearly says basically who qualifies under the master's cap. The master's cap doesn't cover everybody. For example, uh, you have to be in a public institution or a non-profit institution for one, and two, it has to be accredited. And then at this point, then if you get a master's degree from those schools, you might qualify under the master's cap. Make sure it is very important to know that before you apply, because if a case is accepted in the master's cap and it's approved at a later stage, they find out that you were not in the master's cap, they will revoke the H1B. I have seen many cases where they go ahead and revoke those H1B, and you can see this article here. The master's degree from United States qualify in H1B cap, and the master's degree, of course, has to be from a school in the United States. So you need to have those two elements. For example, one, it has to be accredited, and two, it has to be either a public or a non-profit institution. Having said that, now, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're hiring a good lawyer to help you on your H1B, because this is getting really technical. And actually, the Immigration Lawyers Association published a number of articles, especially about a specialty occupation, which is becoming a big problem. But this video today is about multiple H1Bs and the master's cap. We will make another video based on the other issues. Until then, I say thank you, and anything I told you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. The number to our office, 510-742-5887. Until for all those, for all those who are filing under the cap, I wish them best of luck, and if you need our help, feel free to contact us. Thank you.